Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Today I'm going to motivate you by cleaning my home and decluttering and going through my sheets. I go through our sheets once a year and I do get rid of a lot, but I'm really going through these and pairing sets up. We don't need more than 2 sets of bed, and so I'm just going through everything. So I hope you enjoy this video as I go through the sheets and clean our home. So if you like to clean along with me, aprons on, let's go. And you'll notice that Paige is going to be keeping me company throughout this video. She loves to be right by my side. Okie dokie, I went through everything. Here's extra pillowcases. Here is Derek and I's bucket. Our sheets are different when pairing because we have 2 twin sheets for our bed. It is a king, but they are adjustable beds and they're 2 twins. So I have 2 twin sheets that are made special because they have an elastic that catches on the ends of the mattress when the bed goes up and down. So with our bed, we have 2 twin mattresses. Hello, Paige. So for our bed, we have 2 twin sheets, fitted sheets, 1 top sheet, and the 2 pillowcases. So here is the queen bed that's downstairs. It's Callie's bed. I'm going to take this set out because her bed doesn't have any sheets. She washed her sheets before she left to go back down to school. So I'll go put these on her bed, or just leave them on her bed and she could put them away. And here is her, this is her extra sheets for her bed. Everything is here, pillowcases, fitted sheet, top sheet. Here is Shaylee's flannel sheet. She doesn't need them right now. I'm gonna figure out what to do with those. I don't know. If there's room in the closet somewhere for them, then I'll leave them in there. If not, I might need to put them in her closet on her shelf. I'm not sure. I have to figure this out. And then in this are all the twin sets for Shaylee's bed and the boys' bed. This side's Shaylee's and this side is the boys' bed. So everything is here. Again, the sets are together wrapped up in the pillowcases. So we have a fitted sheet, a top sheet, and a pillowcase. And yeah, we're doing good. Here is my giveaway pile. It's quite big. So I'm gonna get a garbage sack and put everything in there, get that sack in the back of my car, and we'll take it to the DI. So look at that. I got rid of quite a bit. So fantastic improvement.
you so much for joining me today, friends. I hope this motivated you to get up and accomplish something today. I know I need motivation on some days, and I love watching other people and seeing what other people are doing, and it definitely gives me the motivation to keep going. So thank you for joining me, and we'll see you soon. Bye.